guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these winter matching outfits. So there's the pink one which I'm wearing right now and the blue one which my other account is wearing. So let's get into it. So first what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take all of your accessories off, everything. I'm almost done. Just take the hair off and everything else. So I'll do a tutorial on the base thing if you don't know what it is. So go on to body, search up woman, then just equip the arms and torso of it. Then search up Cindy and then equip the legs of it. I already have them equipped. And then for the animation, you're going to want to search up astronaut, spelled like this. Then just click on all of the animation, but make sure not to put that top on. So then you have your base. And for the base part, you're gonna want to search up adorable blush. Since there's lots of these, I recommend going to this little settings button, then search up Fire 0, then apply, then equip. Well, you can equip any, but for this, I'm going to be equipping this one. And for the mouth part, you're going to want to search mouth blush, then enter. And make sure, first of all, go into the settings, press reset and apply so everything comes back up. Then equip this first one, well, it should be the first one. And then you're done with the base part. Now we're going to do the hair, so go to body, then on the hair icon, then search up kawaii baby buns, and also it's a bit hard to find, so go onto the settings button again and search up AIEU, then apply. Then you're gonna want to do this one, which is cutesy kawaii high baby buns in blonde, then equip that one. And next you're gonna want to go to clothing again and make sure you reset that and apply it so everything comes back up. Then search up new side. And then you're going to want to equip the side ones. You can have whichever ones you want. There's this one, and this one. But I'm just going to use this one. And then for the next part, you're going to want to go on to the tops icon, the orange one, and search up puffer vest. And it should be the first one. It's like a cropped one. And then you're going to want to head on to menu, then animations, and on so then go on to animations custom winter and make sure it's on recently created. Then scroll all the way, well, mostly all the way down, and then over here you can have the full version, which I'm using, or you can have it a little bit cropped like that. I'm just gonna have the normal version. Then put that one on. Then for the pants, just put it back to normal. Then just equip any, but I'm gonna equip these ones down here because they're cute short ones. So that's complete outfit number 1. Now we're going to do outfit number 2, which is this one over here. Okay, like I said, take everything off apart from the face and body accessories except for the hair. You just take it all off except for those parts. Okay. And then next, you're going to want to keep this base, like I said, then go on to body, then search up A-I-E-U again, then search up bun, then equip. You know we done these last time, we're gonna find the brown version of it. Let me find it. You can use either light brown, but I'm gonna use the normal brown. Then go on to clothing, then face. Then get rid of that, apply. Then search new side again. Then equip the brown ones this time. I'm gonna be equipping this one. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to have the same puffer vest, but it's just like opposite like toddler winter outfits, and put that on. Then go to animations, custom, then search up winter again. Then make sure you're in recently created, then apply. Hold on. Okay, then search up winter, in custom, winter, and then scroll down quite far, so it should be coming up soon. Then equip this blue one. You can have the cropped one or the normal one, which I'm using, and then go on to pants and equip this. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed this outfit tutorial.